On behalf of the Indian Olympic Association and all MEC leagues, I wish to declare the dates of the 35th National Games, Kerala. The Indian Olympic Association is pleased to confirm that the dates of the 35th National Games, Kerala will be from 31st January 2015 to 14th February 2015. It is as per the recommendation and suggestion of the National Games Organizing Committee. We hope that these dates will be convenient to the organizers, contingents of all the participating states, officials and the sports-loving public of Kerala.
Corporation Stadium, Kozhikode. Get, set, play.
New Hockey Stadium, Kollam. 35th National Games will be held at New Hockey Stadium, Kollam.
Badminton in the 35th National Games will be held at Indoor Stadium, Kochi, Prakash Padukone Plaza.
വെയ്റ്റ് ലിഫ്റ്റിങ്ങിൻ്റെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ സ്ഥലം വളരെ ഇൻഡോർ സ്റ്റേഡിയം തൃശ്ശൂർ വളരെ നന്നായിരിക്കും. തൃശ്ശൂരാണ് ഗുസ്തിക്ക് പറ്റിയ സ്ഥലം വെയ്റ്റ് ലിഫ്റ്റിങ്ങിന്.
The competitions in netball in the 35th National Games will be held at Indoor Stadium, Vellayan.
കേരളത്തിൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും അഭിമാനമായ മത്സരം അത്ലറ്റിക് മത്സരങ്ങൾ നടക്കുന്നത് തിരുവനന്തപുരം യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി സ്റ്റേഡിയം മിൽഖ സിംഗ് പ്ലാസ എന്ന് നാമകരണം ചെയ്യും.
Shooting, the 35th National Games will be held at Shooting Range, Vatturkava, Trivandrum. Dr. Kanshi Singh Plaza.
35ാം നാഷണൽ ഗെയിംസിൻ്റെ വനിതാ ഫുട്ബോൾ കോർപ്പറേഷൻ സ്റ്റേഡിയം തൃശ്ശൂർ. ഇതിനെ നാമകരണം ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ചുനി ഗോസ്വാമി പ്ലാസ.
Kabaddi competition, ശ്രീപാദം സ്റ്റേഡിയം, ആറ്റിങ്ങൽ.
35ാം ദേശീയ ഗെയിംസിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായി നടക്കുന്ന ബോക്സിംഗ് മത്സരം ഇൻഡോർ സ്റ്റേഡിയം തൃപ്പയാറിലായിരിക്കും. അതറിയപ്പെടുന്നത് ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ ഹവ സിംഗ് പ്ലാസ.
The competition in wrestling in the 35th National Games will be held at New Indoor Stadium, Kannur. It's my privilege to declare that the venue and its premises will be known during National Games as Jadhav Plaza. Thank you.
35ാം നാഷണൽ ഗെയിംസിൻ്റെ പിരപ്പൻകോട് അക്വാട്ടിക് കോംപ്ലക്സിന് മിഹിർ സെൻ പ്ലാസ എന്ന് നാമകരണം ചെയ്തുകൊള്ളുന്നു.
For the competition in tennis in the 35th National Games, these will be held at the tennis complex in Kumarapuram, Thiruvananthapuram. It's also my privilege to declare that the venue and its premises will be known during the National Games as Ramanathan Krishnan Plaza. Thank you.
The competitions in athletics in the 35th National Games will be held at Police Stadium, Thiruvananthapuram. It is my privilege to declare that the venue and its premises will be known during National Games as PT Usha Plaza.
35ാമത് നാഷണൽ ഗെയിംസിനോട് അനുബന്ധിച്ച് കോഴിക്കോട് മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജ് ഗ്രൗണ്ട് PK ബാനർജി പ്ലാസ എന്നറിയപ്പെടുന്നു. ഫുട്ബോൾ.
This ceremony is taking place in the majestic ambience of the Kerala Legislative Assembly. This is an important milestone in the sporting history of Kerala. In the presence of the Union Minister for Sports, Sri Sarvananta Sunowal, amidst us is now, signifies the continued goodwill and cooperation that the Government of India has been extending to the sports development of the state and the 35th National Games in particular. As we prepare ourselves for hosting the 35th National Games, we fondly remember that Kerala had hosted the National Games once earlier in 1987. The success of the event had been widely appreciated then. The 1987 National Games is a pleasant and joyful memory to most of us present here who had witnessed and participated in the same in some capacity. In the efforts that we are currently making, the experience gained from the past has been guiding us. We are also inspired by the role played by Kerala athletes and players in national and international tournaments and competitions during the last 4 decades. For the past few years, the Government of Kerala has been taking vigorous action to prepare ourselves for hosting the 35th National Games, which is going to be one of the largest sporting events ever organized in the history of Indian sports. In this connection, I would like to mention the contribution and leadership by former sports ministers, Sri K.B. Ganesh Kumar and Sri M. Vijay Kumar are commendable. We are also organizing the event in a manner which has not so far been attempted in the history of multi-sports events at any time. The 36 disciplines in which the games are being held are spread across 7 districts of Kerala.